Hey y'all, this is Mr. Smith. In this video we're dealing with squaring polynomials. As you can see, our exponent is 2, so we're squaring this whole product, or this polynomial. Before we actually do this, I want us to go back to this. 2 squared must be, oh, that's 4, but how do we figure it out that it's 4? What are we doing? That is right, we're multiplying these two things. So we're doing 2 times 2. So that's what 2 squared. It tells us how many times to multiply our base. So if I do 3 squared, it's telling us to do 3 times 3. So in this problem, this 5x minus 1 squared is telling us to do 5x minus 1 times 5x minus 1. And so now when we look at it, we can see that all we're doing is multiplying 5x minus 1 times 5x minus 1. And anytime we're multiplying two polynomials, we can use the box method. So I'm going to put my 5x minus 1 and my 5x minus 1. I'm going to set up my 2 by 2 box. And what is 5x times 5x? We get 25x squared. 5x times negative 1, negative 5x. Go into my second row, negative 1 times 5x, negative 5x, and negative 1 times negative 1 is a positive 1. We can draw our peanut. So if you watched the previous video, then you know we can draw our peanut. And we get 25x squared. Negative 5 plus negative 5 is negative 10x, and then our plus 1 at the end. And that's our answer. So let's try another one. So again, we have the 7n plus 3 squared. Remember, this means we're going to multiply 7n plus 3 times 7n plus 3. And anytime we have a polynomial times a polynomial, we can use the box method. So I'm going to put my 7n and my 3, and then my 7n and my 3. I'm going to draw my box. And 7n times 7n is 49n squared. 7n times 3 is 21n. And then we go on to the second row. So we have 3 times 7n. We get 21n. And we have 3 times 3 is 9. We still draw our peanut because we have like terms. So we have 21n and we have 21n. So I'm going to bring down 49n squared because we always start with that box. 21 plus 21 is 42n. And then we have our last box, which is a plus 9. And that's that. So let's do the last example we have. So in our last example, we have negative x minus 3 squared. So we do the same thing. So we're going to break this down. So this means negative x minus 3 times negative x minus 3. Again, we have a polynomial times a polynomial. So we have negative x times negative 3, because we can use the box method. Negative x minus 3 So now we're going to multiply this negative x times everything. So negative x times negative x will give me a positive x squared. Negative and negative is going to give me a positive. X times 3 is 3x. I go on to the next one. We have negative x times negative 3. Negative and negative make a positive. And then we have 3 times x is 3x. A negative times a negative is a positive. And 3 times 3 is 9. Again, we'll draw our like terms, or draw our peanut around them. So we have 3x and we have 3x. So we're left with x squared plus 6x plus 9. And that's our answer. So as long as you remember to break down this into two binomials or two polynomials being multiplied, then you shouldn't have any mistakes on these problems, because all of this is just basically box method. Again, I hope this video helped. Mr. Smith signing out.